Caucasian mountains of Georgia, there lives a truly resilient guardian, the Georgian Nagazi. In my previous videos, I've talked about its work ethic, its appearance, its strengths, and its temperament. If you have not seen those yet, you will find them in the playlist I'll show at the end of this video. But today, I want to show you something different. How these dogs actually live in the high mountains of Svaneti, and how they stay in such incredible shape. So, what makes the Nagazi such an underrated and fascinating livestock guardian? First of all, intelligence. These dogs don't just follow commands. They understand situations. In many cases, they herd and manage livestock completely without human help. Georgian herdsmen often leave entire flocks in the care of Nagazi dogs, trusting them to guide and protect every animal. And they do it flawlessly. The weather is never an obstacle. Whether it's snow, wind, or heavy rain, the Nagazi remains in the mountains, calmly watching over the flock, always alert, always ready. And sometimes their intelligence shows itself in unexpected ways. Like in this moment, where a herdsman ties a horse to the dog, and the dog takes it home on its own. No guidance, no comments, just understanding. The Nagazi knows exactly what its human wants. Now pay close attention to what this dog is wearing. At first glance, you might think it's a regular protective collar, the kind livestock guardian dogs wear when facing predators. But this is something different. This collar can weigh anywhere from 3 to 7 kilos. It's specially made and owners can order it from professionals who design it specially for training. Dogs wear these collars during long runs, sometimes covering 7 to 10 kilometers a day. Of course, they also get rest days during the week. But why do this? Because this kind of exercise builds real functional strengths. It improves endurance, strengthens muscles, and most importantly, it prepares the dog for the harsh realities of mountain life. A Nagazi doesn't just need power, it needs stamina, resilience, and the ability to keep going no matter what. This is especially important for dogs that don't actively work in pastures every day, but even working dogs benefit from it. It all depends on the herdsman and how they choose to train their dogs. And the dog's age matters also. They start from 3 kilos and gradually increase it. Here we see Babura, a Nagazi from the high mountains of Svaneti, wearing this training collar, and honestly, it looks like he enjoys it. These dogs are built for this life. With their incredible stamina, intelligence, and natural protective instincts, Nagazi dogs stand among the finest guardian dogs in the world. For thousands of years, they've stood beside humans, protecting, working, and proving their loyalty every single day. If you want to learn more about these amazing dogs, watch my other videos about Nagazi. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.